Hello, this is Ashley from Crafting with Ashley and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. It's this really happy birthday card. So let me show you how I did it. Let's put that aside. Let's start with the stamping. I've got here a piece of Whisper White and this actually measures 7.5 centimeters by 9.5. And we're going to be stamping in cherry cobbler, and this is the stamp set we're going to use. It's called Happiest of Birthdays, which I love. Especially this, I love that this is the one we're going to use, this big sentiments. I do really adore. So I'm going to stamp it in cherry cobbler ink because that's the red in the pattern paper. So close up our ink pad. As you know, I always close up my ink pads after I use them because I don't want to have something land in my ink pad and then I've ruined my whole project. So let's put this in the centre of this piece of paper. There we go. Hopefully it's sort of there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's just let that aside just to dry off a little bit and bring all our other bits in. So my card base is crumb cake, and this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then on top of that I'm going to stick a piece here of Whisper White that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and just stick that down. And then I have a piece here of Designer Series paper, and this is actually from the new catalogue that went live on the 4th of August, and this is the Plaid Tidings cardstock, and this piece measures just 0.5 centimeter in, so that's 9.5 by 13.85 centimeters, so you get your beautiful mats. Like that. Okay, so that's all we've got so far. So let me bring in here a piece of cherry cobbler, and this measures 8 by 10, but all those measurements will be on the blog post on my website, and the links to that are in the description box below, so you can check that out for all the measurements and the supply list, and obviously the link to my online shop and all that good stuff. So now we're just going to stick this down to our card base, and you can see how quickly this card has come together. It's a wonderfully simple card to make, but it really is so pretty and vibrant. And then for some bling, because you always got to have a bit of bling, I'm going to be using some of these rhinestones, and I'm going to put them on every dot I can see. So there we go, on that eye and that eye. And then wishing you the happiest of birthdays. So I have 4 of them in total. There you go. Okay, so those are the 2 cards. Really simple, really quick, but really fun too. I hope you liked the card. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing to future videos, I'd love to welcome you as a subscriber. As I said, the links to my website and all my social media links, including my Facebook group, are in the description box below. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!